We're going to do a brief video on NIO Stock Analysis. And we've got a daily chart of NIO up here for you with a 5-day moving average in green, a 20-day moving average in red, and a 200-day moving average in blue. And in a minute, we'll show you some algorithmically generated entry prices for NIO. And if you take a look at this stock, it's been in a bear market since about December of 2021. Came down here, put in a low on the 12th of May at $11.67. And today we are trading at $11.95. So NIO is right up against its support level, and it's got to maintain that. If it doesn't, you can see it's come over here, already bounced across the 200-day moving average, and now it's headed back down again. If it does not maintain this support, NIO it just does not look good from a technical analysis standpoint. Let's go to a weekly chart real quick. It's kind of a disaster. You can't really see anything. But down here, all the way back to September 19th, 2019 of September, we had a low down here of $1.19. So that's the first real major and probably the only last support for this stock. So I'm not suggesting it's going to go that low, but I am suggesting there's not a lot of technical support for it before you get there. So the reality of it is, this stock, if it ever intends to get out of this bear market it's been in now for a long time, December 2021, it's got to catch some support in here. From the near term, I don't see that. This stock is not significantly oversold right this second. It is oversold a hair, but not a lot, and it could easily go down to the $9 level here. Today we're making new lows, and it looks like on volume of about 40 million shares versus 42 million on an average day, it's about 130. We're trading at $12.67, down 1.5%. So it's not a disaster for the stock today, but it's definitely not in a positive situation. So this stock has to catch some support right here. Even if it violated the 1167 a little bit, that's not a disaster. But if it starts to get seriously away from 1167, then it's going to head down significantly lower, probably down to the $7.50 range. But if it catches support, reasonable support, around this 1167, we could easily put this stock back up, probably to the $17 range easily. I'm not predicting anything. It's all for entertainment purposes and all in my opinion. But the stock could rally back up there and then flirt again with the 200-day moving average. This would probably time frame probably the end of October, maybe even the first week of November. So that's what I see for this stock. It's got to hold. It's got to hold this major support from May 12th at $11.67. Even a little violation is okay, but it's got to bounce back. If it bounces back, maybe 16, 17 is a good target. If it does not bounce back, if it violates this 1167 and continues to put itself in a negative territory, then I'm looking at a $9 stock, in my opinion, for entertainment purposes only. Let's take a look and see what RBAM research says about NIO. We've got 1, 5, 20-day hold periods on NIO today. We do have some prices for the 13th of October, and you can see it's got some buys in here at $12.26 on a 1-day hold, $12.75 on a 20-day hold. Those are trading days. Let's take a look and see what this stock has done today. We're at $12.82 for a high and $11.95 for a low. Is that right? $11.95 for a low and $12.82 for a high. So let's see. So these are all live. They've all been hit, and it looks currently the stock's trading at about $12.67. So there's some penny profits in the 1-day and the 5-day, nothing quite yet in the 20-day. So that's what we show for RBAM research today. You can get access to all these 190 stocks every morning before 7 a.m. The major forex pairs, BTC crypto, and the most liquid futures contracts. We have entry prices for all of those every morning before 7 a.m. at rbamresearch.com. There's a link in the description below. It's free. There's no credit card required. Just head over there, put in your email address, get instant access. Keep in mind, everything you've seen and heard on here is for entertainment purposes only. Can't use any of our information for anything other than entertainment. You should always do your own analysis, and you definitely trade at your own risk. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that as well. And if you have a great comment, we'd love to hear from you in the comment section below.